Hello and welcome to e-tron on Track. We have an exciting series of episodes in store for you. Did you know that it has already been 11 years since Audi started its path of electrification in motorsport? At Le Mans with this car. That's where it all started. And now quite a few Audi cars in and around motorsport have electric drivetrains. It's the first time we gather them all together. 3 race cars, 2 one-off concept cars. They have all paved the way for the future in electric mobility at Audi. Audi R18 e-tron Quattro. Love you forever. Let's start our journey through an electrifying world of motorsport with the first car, the Audi R18 e-tron Quattro. This car here was the first hybrid race car to win at the Le Mans 24 Hours in 2012. The first of 3 victories in a row for the Audi R18. I personally took my 9th and final victory at Le Mans in 2013. And 1 year later, my teammates clinched the last of Audi's 13 Le Mans victories. So many special memories with this car that began the era of e-tron in motorsport.
And we go green in Berlin.
The next chapter of e-tron in motorsport came in the form of Formula E, a fully electric series.
A win for Audi in Berlin.
Audi became the first German manufacturer to enter Formula E with a factory team at the end of 2017 for Season 4, where they duly won the team's title with the Audi e-tron FE04.
This second and third for Audi, and it is the team's championship for Audi.
This car here is the final Formula E car from the 4 rings, the FE07 that competed with the factory team in Season 7. It delivered up to 340 horsepower to the rear wheels and featured the in-house developed motor generator unit. Interesting fact, the Audi MGU05 that was developed for this Formula E car is also being used in the RSQ e-tron for the Dakar Rally. But more on that a bit later. The next car became a real vision and jumped from the virtual world straight into reality. The Audi e-tron Vision Gran Turismo. It all started with virtual racing on the PlayStation and ended up as a real fully functional concept car. It has 4-wheel drive with 3 electric motors and about 815 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 in less than 2.5 seconds, and it was used for taxi rides during Formula E race weekends. The power is unbelievable. Yes. This is a special one in our e-tron motorsports family as well. The Audi S1 e-tron Quattro Hunitron. Visually, it takes cues from the legendary Audi Sport Quattro S1. Technically, it is a purposely built car that was developed for the spectacular stunts of the late Ken Block. The car is a perfect combination of the past and the future and attracted millions of viewers to watch the Las Vegas Electricana video.
Yeah, let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest.
This is the latest evolution of Audi's challenge for the Dakar Rally, the RSQ e-tron, a rocked but high-tech off-road rally car for what is arguably one of the toughest events in motorsport. It's a very complex car. It has 3 Audi Formula E electric motor generator units. Each axle has one of these MGUs to drive the car with electric 4-wheel drive. The 3rd MGU is coupled with 2-liter DTM engine, forming the energy converter that charges the high voltage battery. It is a perfect machine for glory in the desert. What a collection of cars we have here. But on top of that, we have 3 champions here. Our Dakar Rally drivers, Stephane Peterhansel, Carlos Sainz and Mattais Ekstorm. They normally drive the RSQ e-tron down in the desert. But today, would you be fancy taking some of these cars for a spin?
I can drive any of them, as I love all of them actually. And what about you, Carlos?
Yeah, I think we can make a lottery or something, because it will be difficult to choose one.
Too much power for us.
I can see they want to take any of these cars. So stay tuned and watch the next episode, Who Goes Where.